almost there. Oh, and I made it. Quick pit stop, guys. Phew. Look at that view. I wouldn't love to stay here.